Hi, this is G of eTry. Today I'm gonna share with you how to verify your GCash account. First, let us open our GCash application and enter your MPIN. Click Profile. Click Verify Now. And then get verified. And secure your account and gain access to all GCash services. So first, we have to take ID photo. Then choose the ID that you want to take a photo. Scan face. Get ready to take a photo of yourself. While scanning your face, you will be asked to blink your eyes and complete personal information. Fill up your work details. Application submitted. Please allow us 7 days to review your application. You will be notified via messages. So let us wait for 7 days. But after 30 minutes, I got this message from my phone. Now let's check my GCash. If it's already fully verified. Oh, it's fully verified. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.